What's the meaning of adsorbent? Adsorbent. 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 Adsorbent refers to a material that is capable of purifying or separating substances by selectively binding to them at the surface. This is achieved through a process known as adsorption, whereby the adsorbent attracts and holds onto molecules or particles from a fluid or gas stream. The result is a cleaner or more concentrated product, depending on the intended use. Adsorbents are commonly used in industries such as water treatment, gas separation, and chemical processing, where they serve as effective means of removing impurities or isolating specific compounds.